What's up guys, Jared here with Rotex Rednecks coming at you with an install video today. Today we're working on my 23 Limited and we're doing the OEM Can-Am rock sliders. This is everything that comes in the kit right here. Here's your part number for the standard cab, not the max. Comes with all your hardware, everything in here's a 13mm, got your spacers, washers, rivets that you're gonna have to drill out. Front brackets for the front mount, and then the back mounts with those two right there. That goes right into the side, which you're gonna drill a 2-inch hole in the factory spot. Right here above this, there's an indent. You drill that out with a 2-inch hole saw, and then go from there. I'll show you how you cut out the factory ones. On the front, the cutouts for there where they mount, I already got the tires off to give you guys some better views. So right down here, the plastics, you're gonna cut out that little piece. This right here. It's got a factory notch already cut into the plastics. So this side's still on. Let me get over here, show you this side. So you see that factory notch right there? Go all the way around. So that's already molded into the plastics, and you take your little nibbler tool. You might even be able to get by with a razor blade. But you're gonna cut it right along that line. Right here, cut that, and then down to here, and that'll expose the bare frame. So you're gonna have to cut back up behind this plastic a little bit. You're gonna have to remove this in a little bit. I'll show you how to do that. So let me get this side nibbled out, and I'll show you what to do from there. So I got these front mounts all notched out, and actually I lied to you. You do not have to remove this. On the new models, the 23s, there's a opening to get your bolts and nuts through. So literally you just cut out that little notch along that line, and you can get right to the mounting spot. Same on both sides. There's a little notch on the bottom to get your nuts on the back side right in that hole. You mount them up right there, get the brackets mounted, and good to go. So now I'm going to get a 2-inch hole saw and show you guys where you drill in here. See that little nipple indent from the factory? You put the drill bit of the hole saw on right there and drill a hole right in there, and it'll expose a hole to the frame where that mounts. So let's get it. So it calls for a 2-inch hole saw to get that little nipple right there for the mount to sit on the other side of this plastic. But what I found, this 1 3/4 hole saw fits right over top of it. So we'll be able to get that right into the backside. So we're gonna do 1 3/4 hole, and I'll get that drilled and show you guys how fitment looks. Boom, there's your hole from the factory. Get her cleaned up, get all the little metal shavings out of the way. Nice and looking good like. Or not metal shavings, plastic shavings. Sweet. There's your hole. Now we just gotta do the other side. There she is. Cool. Let's get them mounted up, see how they look. Alright, so this side's fully on. The 2 mount bolts right here in the front, right up under here. Got those all tightened up. Got the mount right here into the frame. That's on the inside. I'll show you that in a sec. Just 1 bolt right here with a big washer on the back. And then those brackets that come in the kit, mount right here on the back. 1 bolt there. And then 2 underneath it right there. And there's a hole on the back side. Right here, that's where your nuts go. Bolts shoot forward. And then come around here. Right next to my battery, you see that bolt head? That's my second battery. That's probably not going to be in your way if you don't have a second battery kit. But that bolt head sticking out right there, that's going to be the one that mounts in the top right there. And don't forget to put the sleeve on that one as well. So this side's all tightened up, buttoned up, ready to rock. Solid as can be. Now for the passenger side, it's a little bit more tricky to tighten this one up. So if you get in here, you see what's in your way, the gas tank. So you got to find a way I'm gonna pull the strap off and kick it over towards the driver's side. Pull that straps off the tank and literally just cockeye it a little bit that way to get the bolt in. And then I'm gonna try to get it in there, see how it goes. I'll let you know. All right, so getting that bolt that's right next to the gas tank is an absolute nightmare, but I got it. So you can see I got that strap taken off. That back one's loose. So all it is 13mm bolt for this strap. And then up under here, you'll see that hole right there in your frame. That's where the forward strap bolt is. It's a 13 as well. Pull both those bolts out. They can be rusty. I had to use some PB blaster, but if you look down in there, way up forward there, I was able to get my hand back in there. Let me see if I can finagle. See it? Way down in there. There's that bolt. Right down there. You see her? So I got the bolt to go through, but I had to shoot the bushing sleeve, those metal bushing sleeves that are for the bolt to give it the rigidity on the frame. I shot the bolt through this way, pulled the A-arm out, or the nerf bar out of the way, slid the sleeve from this side over the bolt, held it on the inside, picked up right here and started it and got it to start. So now I'm going to bolt those all down. This side installs the exact same as the other side, minus the tank that's in your way. I thought I could cheat and you could go through your firewall. You definitely can't. You cannot get to it. If you got like maybe skinny little kid arms, you might be able to get to it next to the battery, but I have my isolator for my second battery right there, so I didn't even try. That thing was a pain in the butt already to get in, so yeah, I'm gonna tighten these up and get her put back together, and then show you guys what she looks like all buttoned up with some nice new Nerf bars. If you guys have any questions, drop a comment. Make sure you like, subscribe. We appreciate it. We just want to get all these videos out here, all these how-tos on all these Can-Ams especially. That's all we know. That's all we ride. So, yeah, if you have any questions about anything Can-Am related, Outlanders, Renegades, Defenders, X3s, we either have them all or we've had them all. So, pretty big group. But, yeah, drop a comment, leave a like, hit that subscribe. We appreciate it, and share the heck out of it. We'll see you guys out there on the trail.